Simamba mfethu ngiphathele enye clip today. I understand la umtho because I don't know igama lakhe liphelele. But he's one of the podcasters now. So into akhuluma ngayo la ukhuluma about uSima the way powerhouse ngakhona, the way impact ngakhona. Truly speaking bafethu uSima une impact. Ayikabi, ayi blind. uSima une impact. And the impact kaSima ile impact ukuthi engathi angathola umuntu wesilisa osazitholile ozaziyo. In that way they gonna be a power couple because uSima ipower yakhe akanayo manje. Like I feel like ushare nabantu necessary amelanga ishare nabo. You understand? So ngicela mamele le video bafethu nicho ama views wenu after segqiba phela i video ukuthi ngicabangana about umthokozi view about uSima, but mina I think the way bekhuluma ngakhona bakhuluma ama views and nama point abalekile about uSima.
Yeah. Sima is a powerhouse, bro.
Yeah.
And Sima is the what do you call the icons of this influencer thing. She's showing people what's possible in the space. You know, she's telling you could monetize and have your own brand. You can do. So, Chief, she is an asset, my brother.
She is. Look, I would place Sima obviously in the same bracket as Ghost.
Sima can save generation.
Bracket like they are both hustlers.
Imali or
You're right, bro. She can.
I'm just saying.
If Sima goes to generation, there'll be definite spike in viewership.
Yes, she has an impact.
Okay, bafethu nibukele video and isiphelile. So ngicela nitshele bafethu ngicabangani about this video kaSima apha bekhuluma khona ngaye, and then nithi ukuthi nina ngicabangani ngoSima as an influencer ukuthi kahle kahle vele it's a powerhouse or uSima akanayo influence towards people.